Affiliate marketing with Rakuten. The Rakuten affiliate network began as LinkShare. It was founded in 1996 by Stephen Messer and Heidi Messer, making it one of the oldest affiliate marketplaces operating today. In 2005, the company became a wholly owned subsidiary of Rakuten, a Japanese e-commerce company. The value of $425 million US was paid outright, and the marketplace changed hands. In 2014, LinkShare was rebranded and the Rakuten Affiliate Network was born. Today, the affiliate network is the self-proclaimed largest pay-per-performance affiliate network in operation. It is rated as the best affiliate network unofficially by its users and officially by mthink.com and their panel of experts. That is all information that you can find anywhere online. What I want to teach you is harder to learn: how you can use this affiliate marketing network to monetize your blog, website, or audience. A quick affiliate marketing primer. Affiliate marketing at its core is an agreement. A merchant agrees to pay a publisher some predetermined amount when they get a member of their audience to complete a conversion. Publishers have authority in their niche, and they use this to build trust in the merchant's product as a solution to the customer's problem. The merchant gets some attention, the publisher gets paid, and hopefully the customer pays for a product that will help them. Bookings.com pays travel bloggers to feature ads on their sites. However, the travel bloggers aren't paid just for displaying the ads. Affiliate marketing is performance-based, and Booking.com will only pay when someone clicks on one of these ads or links and goes to the site and books a night in a hotel or flight. The travel blogger is then given a percentage of the sale via a revenue sharing agreement, and the whole process is tracked using cookies and affiliate links. This is one example of how the system can work. Before you begin, most affiliate marketing efforts that go bust do so because of unrealistic expectations. People start too early. It takes an average of between 9 and 12 months to monetize an audience, and that's just assuming that you are starting with an audience. If your site is not established and you don't have an engaged audience, you will not succeed in your affiliate marketing efforts. Rakuten doesn't have a traffic minimum. Because of this, a lot of people choose it when they don't yet have the audience to turn a profit, and they get discouraged and give up. Some people start websites intending to start advertising affiliate links from day one, and they are widely successful. There are exceptions to every rule, but these people are often veterans in the industry and marketing gurus. They have done it before and consequently have realistic expectations. If you aren't generating tons of traffic, and even if you have traffic and they aren't immediately redirected to your affiliate links, don't give up. Just because 3 months have gone by to generate $20, that doesn't mean that you have failed. Remember, you are there to provide a service to your readers first and market second. Stay the course. Don't be afraid to try new things. Repost old articles after growing your audience. Seek new audiences as you grow your social media platform. Pay for some of your own advertising. Whatever it takes. But this business isn't kind to people who want an overnight cash grab. Finding and placing links. The first step to getting links on your site is to go to register as a publisher. Go to Rakuten.com and give it a look. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click Become an Affiliate from the menu. Click Join Now and you will be well on your way. The instructions are pretty straightforward and easy to follow, getting you set up. Be honest with your answers. Rakuten uses them to show you merchants that are a good fit for your site. In this business, finding the right ads to market is as important as the rest of the process together, and the better you complete the registration forms, the easier it would be to find products that appeal to your audience. Next, you want to click on the Categories button on the top right of the page, and that will bring up this screen. These are all potential affiliate links supplied by different merchants arranged into their relevant categories. Keep it relevant. When you look at the statistics that Rakuten gives for the various links, you might be tempted to choose something that isn't relevant to your site because it has a better offer or pays better. Don't. With a relevant affiliate link, you can use your website's authority to ask people to click on the link. Posting irrelevant ads is just as bad as saying, "The link makes me money, click on it." By choosing a relevant affiliate, you can create content that encourages your audience to click on the links and convert. The right marketer will make it easy for you to not only place ads that your audience already has interest in, but to generate content based on the advertised products. In some cases, they might be products that you already use in pursuit of whatever your blog discusses. Find the best product for your audience, not the highest payout gig. Research the company. Make sure the company that you decide to partner with has a product that you believe in. Try to find out if anyone actually buys what they sell. Remember that their earnings are directly proportional to yours. It might be better to go with a company that only offers a 6% commission but sells a better product than one that offers 12% but sells trash, especially if you have any hope of keeping your credibility. Research will also help when it's time to make content. If you are going to write articles about this company, you should know and love their products, or at least be excited about how they fit into your niche. If you have an author blog and you use certain software, a special writing instrument, or whatever, then those are the products you can praise without crossing any ethical boundaries. Apply for the agreement. On Rakuten and other affiliate markets, you don't just select the affiliate agreement you want and get a link straight away. You need to apply, and it can take several days for the merchant to accept you. This is another reason to build your audience before you apply to advertise as an affiliate. Some merchants are picky about who they want representing their product. This is what the page looks like where you apply for a merchant's affiliate agreement. There is a filter button on this page. I recommend that you take the time to filter the results to find something that is relevant to your niche. I really can't stress enough the importance of selecting a good affiliate to link to on your site. It is important that you also sign up to an affiliate link in the same region as your traffic. Don't sign up to an Australian target if the majority of your audience comes from the United States and vice versa. People might still buy the product, but once they are redirected to their regional site, the affiliate tracking could break and you won't get the commission. Check the status of your agreement under My Advertisers. It is here that you see all of the pending and active agreements. You should check it at least once daily. How to improve your platform. Analytics. Rakuten records all kinds of analytical data that can be used to determine exactly how you can improve your results. This is where any troubleshooting needs to start. Analyzing data is a science. It's how you evaluate the performance of your ads and how you can maximize your results. Change a couple variables, experiment, test the results, and repeat. Click through but no sale. Rakuten is a purely performance-based affiliate marketing site. You are only paid in commissions, and it doesn't matter if you got 1 million impressions and 10,000 click-throughs. If you don't get a sale, you don't get paid. It is all about conversion rate. This can be frustrating if you are sending thousands of people to a merchant and not getting a single sale out of it. This probably can't be solved on your end, and you might need to enter into a new agreement. Before you do, however, check the following. Are your goals realistic? Affiliate marketing in general has low conversion rates. Depending on what your merchant is selling, your typical conversion rate can be anywhere from 1 sale from every 100 to 10,000 clicks. Over time, you can settle on a predictable conversion rate, but at the start, it can be infuriating. Some items won't ever get a sale, and you might want to consider using another affiliate network for CPM. Sometimes you are simply advertising a product that your audience doesn't want. Some products tend to be slow sells. Some depend on you being the last link in their research chain and making a closing argument for the product to help them decide. Then again, sometimes your merchant is selling trash and everyone knows it but you. Have you tried the product? Do you believe in it? Does it have an unfair bad rap online? Sometimes you can use a product's perceived weakness to your advantage. Write about lies or scandal surrounding it. Viewers like getting the truth. Take pictures of it and even do some reviews on the product. Be straight with your audience. Tell them the pros and cons and why you think it's the right product to solve a problem. Ask your audience if they've used the product. If some of them like it, ask them to leave a comment at the bottom of your review. Engage them in a real way. Impressions but not click-throughs. If you have a lot of visitors on your site and no one is clicking on your affiliate ads, then you don't stand a chance of making sales. There are a few things that you can try. I recommend that you take a look at the AdSense heat map. Are your ads placed appropriately? If you are using banner ads and no one is clicking on them, try including links in the text instead. It doesn't matter what you try as long as you track the changes with analytics and review the results honestly. You might want to try some A/B split testing. I won't go into it because it is covered in great detail all over the internet, but it is a great way of finding out whether your audience is better responding to. But it is a great way of finding out what your audience is better responding to. Basically, set up 2 pages with different ad places and see which one gets better statistics. You are the expert, even if you aren't. The whole reason that brands use affiliate marketing is because they can get their product endorsed by an authority with an established audience. Don't just place your ads on the side of your page and forget about them. You need to include them in your content as often as you can. Don't overdo it, but if you have a built-in audience that trusts you, it puts you in a unique position to present the merchant's product as a solution to their problem. They come to your page because they see you as an authority. You are the expert. Examples of excellently executed affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been successful for many sites, and I firmly believe that the best way to learn to use it well is by studying the real-life examples laid out by the winners. Nerdy Nomad is a great case study. Not only does the site use affiliate links to generate income, but the site's content tilt is explaining in detail how the site generates money for the author, Christy, to travel the world. In her monthly earning reports, she posts all of her online activities and the dollar value that they yield. It is a great gauge of how affiliate marketing stacks up compared to other online activities. There are no affiliate links on Nerdy Nomad, so why am I telling you it is a great example of affiliate advertising? Christy has 19 websites, and it is these sites that generate her passive 6-figure income. Some of the sites are dormant and receive no attention, and others are updated regularly. Her Stuck in London site is one of her best earners. It is populated by TripAdvisor ads by Google, and if you can see it, there is an affiliate link for Cheapo Air in the top right corner. This site has granted her the freedom of passive income. There is nothing special about this website, but the content is consistent and helpful to the readers. This Is Why I Am Broke is an Amazon affiliate site that rose to prominence on the back of an impressive social media marketing effort. It relists products from Amazon and other online stores in a grid format, but all of these listings are actually affiliate links. The site owner collects a percentage of every sale that is made. It is a great example of an e-commerce affiliate website that can be recreated with the thousands of affiliate agreements on Rakuten. These websites are relatively easy to create, but the main drawbacks is they rank poorly in search engines due to the lack of content. If you already have the audience or the social media following, building something like this is an easy way to monetize a blog. You end up owning a kind of digital store that has no inventory or overhead. This Is Why I Am Broke reportedly makes upwards of $1 million per year. Conclusion. The information in this course should get you started on the right foot with your affiliate marketing endeavors. Rakuten is one of the better affiliate marketplaces, and they have enough affiliate agreements to monetize your site. Affiliate marketing is a trial and error process. It's hard. It's work. You need an audience, and they need to be engaged. You need a product that they want or need to advertise, and you need to keep at it. Hopefully the information presented here will keep you from making some newbie mistakes, like thinking that you'll be pulling in $100 a day by tomorrow, or the illusion that this can be done without any effort. If you are willing to learn, try, and stick it out, affiliate marketing can get you to your goals, and Rakuten can help.